The Singer Featherweight C240 sewing machine comes what I call a start-stop button. So if you ever forget your foot control, you can still sew with this machine. Now you might want to utilize the speed control. So if you have it at full speed, I have it up at 5 right now, you might want to start by just adjusting it down to 2 or 3 when you start. Otherwise it'll just fly away from you. So you push it to start, push it to stop, and it is actually a great way to have somebody who's not used to pressing a foot control, like somebody young, they too could be using this machine. Set it at a nice slow speed, push start, push stop, and they will know that they can end quickly by just pushing the button. Now, a tip would be when you want to sew out all these decorative stitches up on your machine, this is a great way to quickly get them stitched. So if you wanted to do, say, 48, you can push the start button, maybe even speed it up to a higher speed, and just hang out and enjoy watching it sew. Remember, you can use the immediate tie-off button when you want it to end at the row. I'm going to stop it. I'm going to engage the immediate tie-off button so it turns red. Start the machine, and then as you get close to where you want the row of stitches to end, all you have to do is touch the reverse button, and it will finish the decorative stitch, lock it, and stop for you. So I didn't even have to know when to stop it myself. The machine knew to finish the stitch and then lock and stop. So just a little quick, and again, if we just pick a different decorative stitch, how fun are these? Have you stitched them out yet? They really are inspiring. So again, if you want to go full speed, that makes sense with these. You can run your presser foot right along your other ones. Okay, and before I started this stitch, if I had engaged the immediate tie-off, I wouldn't have to stop in the middle, okay? Because if you just push it in the middle of your stitch, it's going to just tie off right there. So now also down to the row, similar to what I did before, touch the reverse button, it locks it and stops. See how I could do everything with just a push of a button, and I'm not having to step on the foot control at all. You're seeing how pretty these look. I guarantee that if you take the time to sew out those 69 stitches you have in this machine, you'll really fall in love with your decorative stitches.